Hi, in today's video we will be uh, changing or replacing the charging cable or the DC jack of Alienware laptop. This laptop is M15 series, which came with R1, R2, R3 like this, and this one is R5, M15 R5. So basically most of them has the same procedure to change the uh, DC jack. So just you need to understand the concept. Then you can easily change the DC jack, and it's very simple. First of all, you will need to open the laptop, for which you will need to unscrew a lot of screws actually, because they are secured by the Phillips screws. So you will need to open some screws. Um, for example, this one and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. In my case, I already have removed most of the screws so that the video time can be reduced, but I will not cut any part of the video so that it remains original. There will not be any editing in this video. So we will need still one screwdriver to continue this opening of the laptop. Okay, so just after opening all these screws, we will need to unclip some plastic uh, clips under this metal back cover. If you can see here, these are the plastic clips that will be stuck into the body or the chassis of the laptop. So after opening these screws, don't forget to unclip these little plastic clips. If after removing the screws you are not able to open, then use the metal object or any strong plastic, thin, uh, anything like this, tool like this. Okay, then try to do like this. But these areas are very sensitive, very delicate. They are not strong areas of the laptop, so be careful, because you can put marks of scratches, and which can reduce the resale value of the laptop. So be careful while using any tool on the laptop. Plus these all the tools can short circuit on the board if you will put too much inside. If you are using metal tool, then don't push the tool too much inside, otherwise they will hit any chip or the little wires going here and there on the motherboard, and the battery will be there, which has the electricity, so it can create the short circuit. So be careful. So we have removed the back cover. After removing the back cover, first of all, just remove the battery cable. This is the battery cable. Okay, so just remove it, and then removing after this, you will need to remove these screws, because the DC jack is behind this plastic cover. Alienware R2, R3 all has the same hinge cover on the back side, and most of them has the DC jack on the back side of the laptop. They started giving uh, the charging cable on the side in the 6th generation laptops and the 4th generation, and then again like second and first generation of Alienwares, they started giving again on the back side of the uh, laptop the DC jack. So it is like the second and first generation of the uh, laptop. So after opening it, just remove this and be careful, because um, this laptop has Tron light over here. If you can see this, this is a RGB light which they call Tron. So be careful while opening, because there is one cable that is attached with the motherboard. So slowly just put your fingers and the thumbs here, and then hold like this, push like this. Be careful, because there is one cable over here. If you can see, it will go here. Okay, just remove first and then open. And most of the cases, this cable is stick with a glue under it, double tap. So you will need to peel it like this from the motherboard to remove the cable. If you will not remove the cable, you cannot take out this. Otherwise, you will damage this motherboard little. You can see, I will put it near. There is one little uh, daughter board which works for the RGB light. So we are actually repairing the laptop. We are not destroying the laptop, so be careful while doing anything. So now you can see we can reach to the DC jack from here. Now there is one little clip. If you will look closely, this is one metal clip that holds a DC jack. Okay, before removing this, remove the jack from the motherboard like this. There is glue under this cable as well. Okay, so don't forget to remove this glue, because if you will not remove this, you cannot remove the cable. Now open the DC jack little clip, metal clip. They put this to secure the DC jack, otherwise it will keep wiggling here and there. Just like this. After opening, it will come out. Okay, so here we go. This is the bad DC jack that we were replacing. So I will put another one which I have with the other laptop Alienware that I have. So let's take it out from there. Okay, now this is the other one. So how to again put it back on its place, because this is replacement of the DC jack. We are not just removing, we are putting back another DC jack that is working fine. So this is the cable. This metal uh, side, the copper side of the connector should go down. Okay, and this will come on the upside. Be careful, because if you will put wrong side of the connector and push it in, you will damage the uh, pins of the motherboard, and it will be pain in the ass in the future, because uh, you will need to repair the motherboard if you will break any pin of the DC jack. It will give problem of either the uh, power, no power issue, or not charging issue. Okay, any of these two issue may come if you will break the motherboard connector of the DC jack. And be careful, this cable is VGA cable, okay, and this VGA cable is dealing with the computer display, okay. So it is very um, delicate, so be careful while dealing with it. So after we have already replaced the DC jack, now again put the hinge cover to its place again. Keep the wire outside of this cover, otherwise it will get stuck inside like this, okay. Keep the cable here and then push it in. Check for any noise of clicking, and then if you have glue still under it, just stick it over here and then place the connector to its place. This is the area where this connector connects to the motherboard, okay. Most of the Alienwares has one black paper over here, okay, here securing the all motherboard. So if you will open and you cannot see any of the part of the laptop, then don't confuse yourself, because this paper you will need to remove, black paper, okay. It is for heat protection and short circuiting protection. In my case, there is no paper. Our customer already have removed it. So after doing this work, just connect the battery cable again, and if you have screws on the battery, if you have opened, we actually didn't open this battery, okay, in this video, but our customer already opened and there were some screws, so we will be doing this later. But just to tell you the concept of the opening and closing and changing the DC jack, this is the purpose of this video. So we will stick to the plan, and then after putting all the things back, if you have black paper, black color protection cover here, just put it back again, and then first this clips will go inside like this, okay, and then push your thumbs like this. Now put the screws back on the hinge cover like this. This is how you can change the DC jack of any laptop, and mostly these Alienwares have same procedures. So if you feel this video helped you in changing the DC jack, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and give a comment if you have any question regarding the Alienwares or any laptop. According to my experience, I will try my best to give you the best solution of your problems. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.